Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Kuwaita back with another video, and today guys, in this video we're gonna review a ring light and also do an unboxing. So it's a review and an unboxing at the same time. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, you guys can get 10% off on any item that you purchase in my merch store. The promo code will be on the screen and in the description, so make sure you all go over there and check it out. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, smash some likes on this video and let's get into this unboxing. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. Let's see how this ring light turned out to be. Alright. Wow. Wow, it's amazing already. Yeah, so we have this here. I think this is the tripod. Yeah. Wow, looks brand new too. Looks brand new. We have this here. Don't know what this for, but let's save it for later. Then we have this. This is to hold the phone. We also have this Bluetooth remote controller here. And we have this little thingy right here. And we get one more, to hold the phone again. And now, the moment you all been waiting for. This is 10-inch ring light. Yeah. So hey y'all, after reading the manual for a couple minutes, I finally understand how to put this ring light on. Now, first what you all need to do is to get this device right here. This little thing right here. Yes. Y'all need to insert it on this right here. So what you're gonna do is hold it like this and straighten this up, and then tighten it. You're gonna screw it on like this, do it like this. And ensure that it's tight. Now then what you're gonna do now is to control the motion of the ring light. So if you want it to turn this way or that way, anyway it's gonna go. So first we're gonna put this device in here. Just basically turn it. Tighten this, and then now for this part all you have to do is just spin the ring light. Spin it till it gets tight. Here it is. Yeah, and that's it. That's how we set up this ring light right here, you know. So we're gonna test it and see how bright it is in the day and in the night. So let's get on into testing to see how bright this thing is. Alright, so after setting up our ring light, we're gonna test to see the brightness of this ring light. We're gonna see how many colors this ring light have and how it operates. Now first we have the remote right here. The big button right here, this one is for iOS, Apple, and the small one here is for Android. You know, so if you have an Android phone or an Apple phone, you can use this ring light, and this remote will also help to take pictures and to start the video and to end a video, you know. Yeah, so after you got this button right here, all you need to do is just click this button right here and it should start searching for your device. It should start search automatically, start looking for your device, whether Apple or Android, whatever. So this now is a part of it. This is a manual remote also. This one allows you to turn on the ring light and to turn up the brightness, the plus sign, and the minus is to downgrade the brightness, to lower the brightness. And this little cycle right here, this one change the colors of the ring light. So first what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get our power source. We can use a power bank, and that's what I'm gonna use today. We're gonna use a power bank to get our energy source to get this ring light on. And you can see I plug this into this USB port. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna power on this ring light. So let's click it. Wow. It is daytime now, so this is how it looks in the day. Let's see how many colors this have. 1, 2, 3. So it basically has 3 colors. Alright. Let's see how bright this thing can get. I think this already has the maximum brightness. Let's turn it down. Alright. This is the brightness. Turn up the brightness. Yeah. And it's pretty cool, you know. I liked it, you know. It's pretty cool. Wow. Yeah, so I think I like this light right here. All the lights are beautiful on it, but I think I really like this one. This one gives me a warm sense of feeling, you know. It's warm and cozy and nice, you know. Yeah, so this is the brightest one of them all. So anyways guys, it's daytime now, so I'm gonna show you all the clippings of how this ring light looks in the night. So let's get into it. So alright y'all, it's nighttime now. It's about 7:30 p.m. now in the night, and we're back again with this testing. Now earlier on we test to see how this ring light looks in the day, the brightness of it. So now we're gonna see how bright it is in the night, this 10-inch ring light. So let's go over the color modes again. You have this color here. All these colors are on maximum brightness. You have this one here, the most brightest. second brightest, and the third brightest. Now let's turn this one all the way down. Alright, so this is dim, dull, no light. Now I have my strip light above me, so I'm going to turn them off. And that's how this looks when it's way down low. Now to brighten this light now in the dark, this is how it actually looks. So this is the brightness. This is the maximum brightness of this 10-inch ring light in the night time. So anyways guys, we've come to the end of our video for today. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button down below. Also please subscribe to the channel to get the latest tech review and tech unboxing. So anyways guys, let me know what are your thoughts about this 10-inch ring light down in the description. Let me know down in the comment section. Also please remember to click the first link in the description to get 10% off on any item that you purchase in my merch store. The promo code will be on the screen and in the description, so make sure y'all go over there and show your boy some love. So anyways guys, before we go, as we normally said, have no rest until you're the best. It's me, your boy Cortech. Peace out.